Hey, Midwest Picker here. Recording on the GoPro again. My audio is messed up on my cell phone. Sometimes I record video on my cell phone, which is not bad, but it doesn't sync anymore for some reason. I don't know. But I will be buying a lapel microphone pretty soon, so the audio should be greatly improved. So my name is Dave. I'm a part-time reseller. I have a YouTube channel. I have an eBay store, full-time husband, father, registered nurse. Do this part-time. I like to make videos for people new to reselling. It helps people out as far as how things ship, where to source items, what it should sell for, and also BOLOs. Be on the lookout what to source. It's a real pain to waste your time and your money sourcing items that just don't sell. So this is a what sold on eBay video. And in this video, I tell you what I bought, obviously, where I bought it, what it sold for, and how it shipped. Before I get into the video, I want to talk about my second channel real quick, Midwest ASMR. I'll link it down below. Please don't search it because there's another dude on YouTube that has the exact same name. So if you're interested in relaxation videos, calming videos, videos to help you fall asleep, or if you just like background videos on your big monitor or your TV in your living room or wherever, just in the background as you're doing chores or working or reading a book or whatever, it's songbirds, it's my pellet stove, it's a snowy day or a fall day. Very calm, very relaxing. None of that different stuff with whispering. If you are afraid of ASMR videos because you think they're strange, mine are not strange. They're very peaceful and very normal. So I only sold 4 items. Well, actually I sold 6 items, but 4 items I want to talk about since the last what sold on eBay video. And real quick again before I get into it, this is Joey, and as you can see, he's wearing an Army uniform. So I won this World War II olive drab wool Army uniform on high bid. Got it for a pretty good price too, I think under 20 bucks. It's worth really good money. It's in fantastic condition. The problem is the soldier who had it cut the tags out of it, so it's really hard to identify and research. The sleeves have no chevrons, no emblems, no patches. There's no rank of any kind. So I've been researching this to death. So he's modeling it for photographs. Came with the cap. I researched that because it does have a tag inside, which unusually it says September 14, 1918. It's got the company name and all that. Now I know even if they made it in the 1918s or the 1920s or 30s, it could just be kicking around a warehouse until it was issued during World War II. I don't know. I don't think it's World War I because World War I ended in 1918. But I'm doing my research. I'm trying to figure it out. It's a real pain. But I have trousers, a shirt, a cap, and a black tie. So I'm going to list it pretty high, about $275 with offers turned on. I should do quite well. Joey, he's no help with research, but he does look pretty handsome wearing this uniform. So the first item I sold is this Bing and Grandal plate. I'm probably butchering the name. This is a collector plate. Mostly they're blue and white, and they're Christmas plates or Mother's Day plates. So I won these on a high bid auction. My cost of goods is only 18 cents. The buyer paid $45.95 plus priority mail shipping on top. This is my most expensive out of like 63 collector plates that I got on this high bid auction. This plate was made in 1953 and it sold real quick. Next, our horse racing programs. I sold 4 of them to one buyer. They ranged from $13.95 to $27.90 in price. Buyer paid first class shipping on top. Super easy. Put them in a plastic like zippered bag. Squash them between cardboard. Put them in a poly mailer or padded mailer. Like 8 ounces. First class. Very inexpensive. I won these on a YouTube auction. I did pay up a little bit, about $4 each. But my best one sold for $127 for one horse racing program. I still have a few left. I believe I bought about 40 of them from What the Hales on YouTube. And I've done very well. Made my money back many times over. Next is this box of Hollister barrier rings for a colostomy. I got this at a thrift store for 50 cents. Sold for $19.95 plus first class shipping on top. Next is my home run.
Get over his head, way back, he looks up, you can put it on the board!
I love sharing home runs. You can call them unicorns. You can call it a holy grail. This is an item that I've had kicking around for a long time. So I had a box of PlayStation magazines from the late 90s that were my personal property. And about 10 or 12 of them, I always intended to list them on eBay and just sell them. And I noticed I had 3 of different years that had the subject Lara Croft from Tomb Raider on the cover. So I did make a lot of those 3. It's currently on my eBay store right now. But also in this box was a folded poster that was included for free as a throw-in inside the magazine. So if you're not familiar with PlayStation Magazine, they would give free stickers. There would be a free cheat sheet, like a cardboard fold-out or a walkthrough, and every once in a while they'd throw in a poster. So I don't know why I kept it, but I kept the poster. Well, the poster's from around 1997, 1998. A lot of these posters, you know, young men would tape it to the wall of their bedroom. It would get torn, it'd get lost, it'd get damaged. It's kind of disposable, and they'd get thrown away. So these posters, these free tie-ins or throw-ins with the magazines, they're actually pretty rare. Mine is adult owned, so it's in fantastic condition. I never taped it to a wall, I never unfolded it or used it. I did a quick search on eBay and there was none. It was the only one. Now there were other posters, but some of them were full size. None of them were PlayStation Magazine posters. There's about 3 on all of eBay and not mine. So I thought, okay, I'm going to list it high, and it sold for $39.95 plus first class shipping on top. It sold within 24 hours. Somebody really wanted it. Some Tomb Raider fan, I don't know. So the lesson here is anything comic related, anything video game related, if it's a Super Mario plush toy or a Tomb Raider action figure, I don't care what it is, somebody wants it, somebody's going to buy it. And especially if it's ephemera or something disposable like this poster, it's going to sell for good money. So if you see folded posters that came free in magazines, and it doesn't matter what magazine, it doesn't really matter what video game or comic, those are kind of thrown away or hardly used, or if they're used, they're damaged. So if you can get a hold of those, list them high because they're worth a lot of money. So that's the video, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. And if you're current active duty or a veteran, or you know anything about military uniforms, if you don't mind helping me out in the comment section, I know you can't tell much by looking at this. It is olive drab, it is wool, it is old. According to Hybid, it was a World War II veteran, and it seems kind of complete. But trying to find information on this, I don't know if it was a work uniform, an office uniform. There's just no insignia, no rank, no nothing on this. So I might just have to list it as is and just go with that if I don't get more information. But I'm patient. I'm going to do my research so I can get the top dollar for it. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.